Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'll be making some Moscato bacon candied yams. So let's get started. This one was highly requested. I already have one, but I'll say, hey, let me make another one. So these are the ingredients you're going to need. I have some sweet potatoes. You're going to need some Moscato, as you can see here. Use your preferred brand. I just got a random brand from Walmart. You're going to need sugar. I'm using brown and regular sugar, cinnamon, vanilla. You're also going to need some bacon. Use your preferred bacon, some fresh ginger, and some butter. So you want to slice and peel your sweet potatoes and get them ready to go. Alright, so you want to cook your bacon. Don't cook them too crispy. You want to cook them all the way through, but not crispy. Next, we're going to work on the sauce. You want to add some bacon fat down into your little skillet or whatever pan. We're also going to grate some fresh ginger down in here, about 1.5 tablespoons. Just like this. I love the fresh ginger in here. It gives it that extra pop. You want to mix that into your bacon fat just like this. You can keep your heat on medium-high. You're going to add some Moscato, your sugars, and you want to mix that up. Once I melt my sugar down, I turn the stove completely off because you're not trying to cook this. You just wanted it to be hot enough to melt your sugar, and that's it. So you want to mix this up really, really well, just like this. You're going to add your cinnamon. You're going to add your salt and mix that up. Well, I guess I need to add my butter first, huh? Then my salt. Mix that up just like this. It doesn't matter the direction you go, you guys. Just get them all in there once you turn the stove off. Then you want to add the vanilla, mix that up, and now we're going to move on. These are my potatoes right here. I chopped up half of the bacon and I'm going to add it down in here just like this. Next, you're going to take that amazing slice and pour it over your potatoes. It looks like it's not enough, but it's just the right amount because once we cover these and cook them, it's going to make its own juice and you're going to have more than enough. You want to pop this into a 375-degree oven. After 35 minutes, this is what it looks like, just like this. And what you want to do is you want to baste your potatoes, and then we're going to add it back to the oven. After another 35 minutes, these are what the potatoes look like. At this point, they're finally cooked all the way through, but now the magic is about to happen. First, you want to crank your oven up to 425 degrees. You want to add the rest of your bacon down on here, and then you want to baste it with the juice in the bottom of the pan just to get some of that juice on the bacon. Y'all, look at that. Look at that. Ooh-wee. And look how tender it is. It's just falling apart, y'all. Goodness gracious. It's falling apart, but it's still firm enough for you to have a nice presentation in your pot. So you don't have to worry about it falling all around and looking like mashed potatoes. That's not what we want. Period. Period. That's it. I don't even need to say nothing. Y'all make this recipe and y'all tell me what y'all think when y'all make this recipe, okay? Love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.